Have you seen this message? Video upload limit reached. Look, if you're an alarm.com customer and you're new and you get this message, or you've had it a few months and you get this message, don't freak out. All this is letting you know is that your cloud storage, your video limit for uploads online has been maximized. You can't do any more for the month. These roll over every 30 days. You got a couple options if this happens. Generally for residential, the basic 3,000 uploads per month is fine, generally. However, we have customers that have, more than 3 or 4 cameras. We have customers that have a lot of kids, a lot of activity outside, and if you don't have it set for like only people and you got pets, it's going to do a bunch more uploads each month. So you got a couple options. What we typically recommend if somebody has 4 or 5 cameras, they can actually get SD cards. You can get SD cards, put them inside of each camera, and typically you're going to get a lot of storage out of that. Your average for SD cards is about $40. So 4 times, let's say you get 4 cameras, $160. You can get a video server for somewhere between $250 and $350, depending on how many terabytes you have in it. So then you want to weigh into the balance. Do I really want to put SD cards in, or can I get a video server and put it on site? Same thing for businesses. This is not just residential. This is residential and commercial. So if you reach that limit and it's imperative that you have more, call your dealer and say, hey, I've reached my limit for the month. Can you raise me up to 8,000 clips per month? It's fairly easy to do. However, it does cost that dealer a little bit more money. They will need to raise your monthly rate by whatever they set out. Usually for us, it's about $5 a month. It's not that big of a deal. However, the online storage is different than a video server, and here's the 2 main differences. And we cover this fairly regularly, and when you're sometimes talking with people initially, they forget the details. So the online storage is video clips only, and it's going to be triggered by a person, an animal, event, or a car, right? So you can set those analytics up to where those events are triggered. And when you reach that 3,000 or 8,000, whatever your threshold is set at, then you can't do any more for the month. The difference between that and a video stream server, or CSVR is what alarm.com calls them, is that CSVR, you got 1 or 2 terabytes, or if you want to get a commercial server, you can go up to, I think, 24 terabytes. It's going to be constant recorded video. So you don't have the clips. And those clips are separated. They're only triggered by every 3 minutes unless it's an event that's an alarmed event. So you got to ask yourself, hey, do I really need streaming full-time video? Do I have neighbors I'm worried about? Do I have things here that, walk off? Am I in a good neighborhood? Am I in a bad neighborhood? Do I need to have constant video? I will tell you that's only a decision that you can make. But if you want constant video, you really need to consider getting a stream video server, which will have constant video going up to that unit inside your house. You can still have the video clips going online. So then you have a backup, right? You've got an online storage server. Online meaning at your premise, your business or your house. And then you have the online clips that go to the cloud storage. Both are very useful, but don't freak out if you get this message. This message only means that you've exceeded your limit for the month. It'll start over again next month. But if you need more and you're concerned about it, call your dealer or email your dealer and say, hey, I'd like to increase my limit to 8,000 a month. They can easily do that for you. I hope this helps. Short video, quick video. If you have any questions, hey, just go check us out, securityallstar.com. And please like and subscribe. We have lots of helpful hints. We're glad to help you out. Thanks.